Hey guys, my name is Bhumi and today I'm doing another video but with my other sister.
Hi, this is Devki. I'm Bhumi's elder sister.
They're all my older sisters, but actually I have 5 siblings. Today we're going to be doing
Blindfolded challenge, makeup challenge.
Yeah, so basically we're going to blindfold her and then she's going to do my makeup. Usually I do a very simple thing, so are you going to do what I usually do or what you usually do?
Well, you have to tell me what you want.
Because I usually only put foundation and bronzer over my eyes, that's it.
Yeah, you don't do mascara?
No.
Okay.
I don't even do eyeliner.
So what's the fun?
I don't want to do mascara when you're blindfolded, that's for sure.
If I'm doing makeup, I have to do the whole
Yeah, but I think you're going to poke my eye. I'm not letting you do mascara. You can do everything else but mascara.
So
you can do eyeliner. So basically I put all the makeup, my makeup here. So I have my foundation, my eye things, some brushes that I usually use. And I've given her only an option of brown lipstick because I only use brown lipstick and sometimes red. So can you put on your thing? Where is it?
What?
Your blindfold.
Where is it?
Where did you put it?
I had it with me.
Just stand up. So we're gonna start now.
This is your foundation.
What makes you think this is my foundation?
I'm a good makeup artist. Okay, put this brush aside. Where is your foundation? Where is your primer?
What's this?
I think it's a setting spray. Yo, where is your primer? Hello? You're supposed to lay these things out for me.
Radhika! So I'm telling you, primer can either be a cream, it can be a spray.
I know, give me that spray. Okay. Bring your face closer.
That's my face.
Close your eyes.
Okay. It's fine.
Where your brush is? Let's find out whatever. Where is it?
I can use that.
No, this is a fan brush. Where are your brushes?
Yeah, I've left all the brushes I use here.
I gave you one brush to put aside.
So you think that's the foundation brush?
Just bring your face. Put your hair aside.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm going to do your makeup.
I didn't do that stuff.
Oh my god.
I just smothered that brush.
Can you look out? I stop moving.
I'm not moving.
If it pokes you, then don't blame me because you keep moving.
I didn't even move.
Okay, I did. Okay.
You're done blending?
No.
Oh.
Come closer.
You can see from underneath.
I thought to go.
You can see.
I swear to God.
Okay.
I don't know. If I was saying, you think I would be just touching your face the way I'm touching it?
You scratched me with your nail. Why are you holding the brush like that? Hold it at the end.
Okay.
Oh. What you smell? What does concealer smell like?
Yeah.
Gel.
I need more. What?
Nothing. Are you using your finger to blend or find where my eye is?
Find where your eye is. This is found.
Yeah, that was quick compared to the concealer. Now what are you gonna use with it?
Yes.
Oh god. There is a pad.
Yeah. Your face. I know you use the Hula bronzer.
I don't know why you can smell anything.
I got it, this one. Where is it?
What, my face?
No, the bronzer. In it.
That's a bit harsh.
Give me your cheek.
Look for it.
No, the other cheek. Yeah. Your forehead. Your nose. Where's your face? Okay.
Oh, you're using that brush.
Well, I can't find other brushes. Give me your cheek.
Look for it.
What?
That thing.
No, fuck, I can't do your eyeliner.
No, you can do something.
This. Keep your eye closed, okay?
You're doing a wing liner. Is that what you're going for?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, just do what you're doing. You're a makeup artist. I trust you.
Well, right now.
Don't you think you'll smudge the eyeliner if you touch my face like that?
Where is the other eye?
Look for it.
Can you bring your face close?
You want more eyeliner?
No. I know, I fucked that one up.
So you don't want to fix it?
No.
Try fix it because you did fuck it up
I don't
compared
want
to the last
I
one.
don't want to.
Okay,
Let's close it.
now what do you want?
I think I'll put for your eyeshadow.
Yeah, and you're going to put the eyeliner now.
No, let me put your lipstick. This is the eyeliner.
But there are two eyeliners in there.
Okay. Okay, this is the lipstick. On the top. Oh, good job. I think I've done a good job.
Yeah, makeup artist for real. You're done with the lipstick?
I think I'm done with the makeup. Give me that.
You don't want to put more?
No, give me this.
You're done. She done. I'm ready to go out.
Where's the spray?
Look for it.
Bring your face. Where's your face? Okay. I remove my blindfold. Okay.
Ready? Radhika, there were 2 eyeliners in there that you could have chosen, but you chose lipstick.
Oh my god.
Look at what she did. Like she did the eyeliner all the way to my head. See that? Radhika, see. You put the eyeliner to my hair. They should put some bronzer on my head too. My lipstick. That's not my lips.
No.
So basically,
I did a good job with the foundation though.
Radhika, it's not blended. I remember looking at the camera at one point and saying, nah, it's not blended. Pretty sure when she was doing my bronzer and my powder and everything, even my foundation, she did a bit on my hair for a while. She didn't realize it, but she did it. Can I put this on Instagram? Makeup by Beauty in Distress.
Yeah, no worries.
So she has a makeup do you know?
Page. Yeah, on Instagram. It's called Beauty in Distress 93.
Do you do makeup like this then?
Clearly not.
Okay. But I'm gonna now end this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, if you have any other suggestions, let me know, because right now it's just we can shoot as many videos as we want.